What's up, Chuckles? This is Mr. Schneider, your glorious teacher for statistics. We are coming at you week 7, I think. I didn't look at what week we're on before I made this, so let's pretend it's week 7. If it's not, it probably is. Probably is. We don't know. As you can see, I'm in the office. Mr. Hat's here, different Mr. Hat from last time, and it's backwards because I'm super hardcore this week. Just because that's what we do. So we do in the stats world. We're super hardcore. We are going to do 9.2 this week. Again, as we kind of look at, since we're in week 7, we're almost done. We're looking to kind of roll back homework a little bit. So you're going to get one homework. You get that one assignment. Next week, you're going to have a small assessment piece for 9.1 and 9.2, which we're going to count in grades. Speaking of grades, what's happening for grades is due to this crazy time, what we're going to do in stats is we're going to use our stats knowledge to make sure that our grades are representative. So what we're going to do is, I guess what I'm going to do is, I'm going to roll back weighting. Good thing for us. We're awesome. We did weighted means in quarter 1, so we should know how this rolls. I'm going to roll back the weights. And what we're going to do for quarter 3 is we're going to weight that 75%, and then we're going to weight quarter 4 25%. So as your stats brain is thinking, what does that do for me? Basically, if you have a better grade in the third quarter than you do fourth quarter, that's going to be good for you. That means your semester 2 grade will be weighted more for quarter 3. But I don't need to tell you because you already know, because you already studied it, because you're great, your stats, you're awesome. Now, what if your grade's better for quarter 4? Some people's are. Some people's are. So that's fine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep that 50-50 on those, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll everyone's back to see which is better. Well, we would know it's better if your quarter 3 is better. The new weighting would be better, but maybe your quarter 4 is a better grade for you. So I'll keep it 50-50. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send everyone an email with both weights on the grade for semester 2. Obviously, you're going to pick the better one, but I'm going to do that. So what's going to be displayed on PowerSchool is the weighted with 75% quarter 3 and 25% quarter 2. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down anyone's grade who's better with the 50-50 split that we were doing now, because we're not going to have a giant final exam after all of this. We're going to call it good, so it's going to be weighted 50-50. Okay, so if your 50-50 grade is better for semester 2, I'm going to overwrite that at the end, but I will let you know how that works and what your grades are for both weights. Okay, so I'm going to probably change the weighting on those on Tuesday-ish is typically when I do grades and update grades and that sort of thing. Speaking of grades and assignments, get those in because if you get those things in, for some, it's easier to get a better grade in quarter 4 because we've scaled back the work and that sort of thing. But it has to be turned in. You got to get that stuff in, y'all. So a lot of stuff going on. A lot of stuff going on for the channel. Got my first subscriber. I got some comments. My little friend, I told you from Sweden, they love Chuckles. I had a little friend comment me. He said, "Don't give up, buddy." I'm not going to give up. I'm not going to give up for you. Okay, because stats is worldwide. We know that. It's a worldwide brand. And I'm coming at you. The Schnei guy's coming. And I'm bringing stats with me. So, like and subscribe right now, because I'm running out of time on this video. Like and subscribe. And we're going to get into the first example for 9.2 here in just a hot second. Bye. See you then.